Are you tired of waiting for your hair to grow fast and properly? Well, we can understand your concern, but let's face it, proper hair growth is one of the most desired and challenging things in every woman's life, and it requires enough attention to get the end result. However, there's the fact that your hair only grows half an inch per month. But if you think that the process isn't fast enough, then you can easily offer some natural solutions and try out products that can promote fast hair growth. Hair growth largely depends on your genetics, but it is also important to acknowledge that your hair always needs proper nutrients and nourishment to stay healthy and beautiful. So first of all, you need to ensure that your diet plan is complementing the needs of your hair. For that, you should follow the following steps. Number 1. Avoid following a diet plan that is too much restricted, because this will minimize the amount of nutrients that are necessary for ensuring healthy hair growth. And even after you offer a healthy diet, the shedding of hair can continue for many days. Number 2. Increase the amount of certain nutrients such as vitamins C, D, and E, as well as omega-3 and 6 for ensuring proper growth of hair. Number 3. Opt for a hair growth vitamin supplement after checking in with your doctor. We know that these products have been roaming around your feet for quite a while now, but as they are not regulated by the FDA, you must ensure that these supplements are right for you by consulting with your doctor. Apart from supplements and dietary issues, it is also important to make sure that you are using the proper products for maintaining the growth of your hair. In this case, always include castor oil and other essential oils that can promote hair growth. Another important fact is choosing a product that is infused with caffeine, because these treatments are great for stimulating blood flow to your scalp and counteracting DHT, which is a hormone that causes hair loss. There's a clinically tested ingredient for hair growth known as minoxidil. So after consulting with your doctor, you can choose a treatment for your hair that contains this exact ingredient, but the percentage should be proper and the product has to be approved by the FDA. Now, there are some basic tips you need to follow in order to ensure fast hair growth. Limiting the use of heating tools is a great option, as they can cause damage and breakage to your hair. It is also important to reduce the coloring of your hair and reconsider bleaching sessions. And on top of that, trimming hair using conditioner properly and brushing gently while using gentle microfiber towels can also go a long way to promote faster hair growth. All that being said, now it's time to take a look at shampoos that can actually promote fast hair growth. Let's check them out. Ensure a longer and stronger growth of your hair with the évolis Professional PROMOTE Shampoo, which is infused with the goodness of baobab to provide instant hydration to your dry and damaged hair. It also has natural botanicals which inhibit a protein that causes hair thinning and hair loss known as FGF5. This shampoo provides protection to your hair strands from damage, and its nourishing botanicals infuse your scalp to promote hair growth that is healthy in nature. It has a clean and color-safe formula which moisturizes strands to minimize split ends and also protects hair from heat styling damage. The sulfate, paraben, and phthalates-free shampoo is great for taking care of frizz and flyaways. Plus, it makes your hair bouncy, soft, and shiny. Damaged hair is one of the factors that hinder your hair growth. Using a conditioning complex, the TIGI Custom Care Repair Shampoo treats external damage of your hair while providing them with a silky and smooth finish. This shampoo is also a great option for you to consider, as it takes care of hair that is damaged due to coloring, chemical treatment, and heat exposure. The shampoo has fiber actives which work to repair damage that occurs internally in hair fibers and strengthens the bond for protecting hair from any future damage. The color care complex of this shampoo protects hair from external aggressors and promotes manageability as well as vibrancy. Additionally, It's a color-safe product that is suitable for all types of hair. Ensuring fast hair growth is not an easy task, and you need to have the right products at hand to provide the benefit to your hair. This is why the NISIM F.A.S.T Fortified Amino Scalp Therapy Shampoo is a great option, which literally does what is said in the name, that is providing your hair with faster growth. This shampoo has essential nutrients, amino acids, and proteins, which work together to ensure the delivery of essential nutrients to your hair, which in turn promotes fast hair growth. It is clinically proven to grow your hair up to 99% faster, and the sulfate, paraben, and DEA-free shampoo also promotes healthy hair. If you regularly color your hair or use heating tools for styling, then your hair is in need of proper nourishment. And to ensure that, the SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo is the perfect choice for you, as it promotes longer and stronger growth of hair. This shampoo has Jamaican Black Castor Oil and certified organic shea butter, which work together to promote natural growth of hair and minimize breakage and shedding by taking care of chemically processed and damaged hair. It also has peppermint oil to provide your scalp with a refreshing feeling, and on top of that, this sulfate-free clarifying shampoo, which takes care of buildup, is a great option for curly hair. Infused with the goodness of biotin, collagen, and wheat proteins, the OGX Thick and Full Biotin and Collagen Shampoo will provide you with thicker, fuller, and abundant-looking strands. This shampoo is a great option for those who have brittle hair and skinny strands, as it provides perfect thickening and texturizing outcomes. This shampoo provides every hair strand with nutrients, and it makes your hair look fuller and healthier. Apart from that, it is a great option for hair loss problems, and the shampoo is a sulfate-free surfactant hair care system. So without worrying a bit, you can choose this one. So that was all about Fast Hair Growth 101. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.